What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I will be going over how can you spot a reversal and how can you just ride a trend. All right, so before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. All right, y'all, so here we are again in TradingView. In GU, you already know, that's the pair that I like to trade. And what you see on my screen is a 50 moving average and a 200 moving average. All right, this is what we caught yesterday. And I'm about to break everything down to you so you can see exactly why I got in a trade for a sell. And we hit a little bit over 16. If you guys can see that, hold up. 16, and of course this is a real account. All right, so I actually got in here, right here, guys, and right here, and we rolled it down. All right, so the reason I got in right here is because I seen this. I thought an M was forming, but the trend wanted to keep going, but it was weakening. As you see, let me zoom in. All right, you got all these little candles. So I was like, okay, so the trend is actually weakening because we was in a buy all week last week, as you can see here, and we rolled it up. So now it was weakening, and I seen like, okay, price is turning, like it's going in like a round motion. So it's like, okay, it's finna dump. So I got in here once again because I thought this, because at the time it looked like an M was forming, and then it just kept going a little bit, and I was down like $550, but I kept my cool because I see like, okay, it's not trying to break past this level. It dropped again, and I was getting closer back to in profit. And what happened was it came up again, and I'm just like, what in the world? Like, this is this a fake out, or is it's not a reversal? Is the trend too strong? So what you have to do is basically be confident in what you see, because it was many times that I wanted to get out this trade, but I just held on to it. All right, went up again, came up. So what we got right here is a triple top. You got 1, 2, 3. And then it just dropped, guys, and we caught all of this right here. We caught all of that, and I just took profit not too long ago, which is probably gonna do, like I say, the same thing. 1, 2, 3. That's what I thought, and then we got this counter right here. That's looking like it's getting ready to reverse. All right, so this could be like right here, could be like a little W. It could come up to here and drop back down. I don't see price going all the way back up, but if it does, I'm gonna look out for it to get in. But I'm just looking for it to continue to be a downtrend. Now, what can you add to your chart that can help you become a better trader? So what you can add is basically, let's see, the 50 moving average and the 200 moving average. Now, a lot of people like, why do you have both? Me personally, if it breaks the 50 moving average, then I know we have a sniper entry. And then if it gets closer to the 200 and break, then I know, okay, we have a trend. So like right now, it's getting closer to the 50 moving average, but it could possibly come up, test, bounce back down, or break and come back all the way back up. So that's why I just went on ahead and took profit. There's no sense of being greedy. 1900 is a good, amount to, basically for a day. And yeah, so the 200 and the 50, to me, I use them to work together, because as you can see here on the uptrend, it was bouncing off the 50, so I know, okay, to just keep holding it, and then once it broke through, you see it actually came down to the 200. So like I said right here, I don't think this is a reversal, because it was just consolidating and then it went up. And then, it still never came up to this part right here, which is the highest that it went, and you still don't have a higher high yet. But you just never know. Right now it's not a good time to even trade GU. I was just holding this from London session, and we got in around, this was around 6 o'clock p.m. Pre-London session, getting ready for it, and it just did what we needed to do. So the best time to trade GBP pairs, guys, is London session, because you will get a lot of confusion. But once you see something happening, stick with it. And if you can catch it at the top, like me and most of my team members did. But what actually happened is, okay, so I got in here, right? I had a stop loss like around here, because I didn't expect price to come back up here after I thought, the trend was weakening. So had a super duper tight stop loss. I thought this was the M forming. Every M is not going to be perfect. So I was like, okay, here's the M. Boom. So what it did was came back up, and it knocked most of my team out, guys. And I hate when it does that. Me personally, I do not set a stop loss. I just watch and see what price is doing. Like right here would probably be a good time to get in for a sale. If you want to, let me go to the daily and just make sure, because you got the 4 hour, we got a sale, you got the daily. Yeah, it's selling, but it's still above the 200 and the 50. So that's why I say you have to know how to put all time frames together. The daily and the 4 hour has to catch up with the 1 hour and the 15. So as you see here, boom, it did not break the 200 yet on the 100 on the 1 hour, but once it do, guys, we officially have a runner. Even though it dropped from here to here on the hour, the 15 is basically what's going on right now. So I think I'm gonna pop another sale in, just because I don't see it. But I'm gonna stay out, guys. I'm gonna stay out because the market finna get ready, close around 5 o'clock anyway, and get ready to, get ready for Asian session and all that, and then London session. So I'm gonna just stay out of it, and I'm just gonna watch it and see what it do. Be patient, and then we're gonna get us some good entries around 9 p.m., 8 p.m. London session, and we're good to go, guys. So how to, like I say, spot reversals? You just look at. You see, it was just weakening here, weakening, and then again we got the triple top, 1, 2, 3, then a drop. All right, and then what we were also looking at was, okay, it gave us all these M's, right? It gave us a shoulder, a head. No, wait, because we also seen a shoulder, like right here, we got a shoulder, a head, a shoulder, and it still didn't drop. And then it was just so many things over here letting you know that the trend was, basically trying to be over. So here, boom, 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 got out here, got out right here. So we caught over, let's see, from here to here, yeah, 153 pips, guys. That was a great run, and you don't have to be greedy. All right, so like right now, me wanting to get back into this trade, which I'm not gonna do it. That would be pure greed. If I just made $1,900 in one day, why hop back in? And now I'm finna take me a nap and get ready for London session, and I'm good to go. Get my energy back going. Because if I hop back in this trade, now I gotta watch this trade all day. And if it does decide to buy, then I would lose the profit that I just made. So that's another thing, guys. Once you make your money, stay out of the market. Enjoy this moment. Enjoy the now. Enjoy what you just did. Reflect on it and see, can you do it again? Now, if you can do the same thing over and over again and make money, then you have a strategy that works. So A lot of people use the Fibonacci. A lot of people use a whole bunch of things. Me personally, I have my own indicators, but I'm not going to share them on a YouTube video because simply that's another service that I offer to help people make more money, because the strategy I use is very, very, unique. And I have a good win rate when it comes to trading. I don't like to brag, and I don't like to I'm not trying to be the best trader ever. I'm just trying to be the best trader for myself, for my family, you know what I'm saying? And basically just live free. That's why I'm trading. I'm not competing with nobody. I'm not trying to say I have the best strategy, the best setup, the best knowledge, none of that. But what I will say is what I know within 5 months of trading has made me profitable. And there's people out there that's been trading for 4, 5, 6, 7 years and never made a withdrawal, guys. I've already withdrawn over 10K already in 5 freaking months. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm trying to do now with YouTube is make more content for people, basically that want to better their skills. Not on here to promote, but I do one-on-one Zoom calls, and I do have a Signal group. If you're interested in any of that, my Instagram will be below. Make sure you check it out. Also, we're doing a giveaway. Me and my partner are giving away $100 to 3 people. So 3 people have the chance to win $100 to fund their account or do whatever they want to do with it. But for us, is to help you fund your trading account and just, basically learn how to let your money make money for you. Once you do that, it's over with, guys. You'll learn how to pay your bills with it. You'll learn how to buy the stuff that you want or need, take care of this, that, and the third. Go get you a car, get you a house, build on your credit. Like, that is what Forex will do for you. But first, you have to understand the market. See, another thing is, guys, and I'm kind of getting off topic a little bit. So, once you get introduced to Forex, right? And let's say you meet somebody that's making 50K, 20K, 10K, 5K, 1K a day, and you never touch none of that in your life, right? A day or in 15 minutes, because I have somebody on my team that can just make, like I say, 5K just like that, like it's nothing. Don't even have to trade for a whole hour and they can do it. So I say that to say this. When you first join Forex, you don't want to focus on the money, guys. Do not focus on the money, because you will lose a lot of money. A lot of money if you don't focus on the skill, learning how to work price action. Yes, I use indicators, but still I look at what price is doing, because indicators are not always accurate, but they are tools that will help you make more money and to hold trades longer and to get in and get out. But price action, a naked eye vision, will give you the skill set that you need plus the indicators, and you'll be good to go. But don't just, like I say, don't solely depend on indicators without like your own 2 eyes and your brain. So that's how I caught this, guys. It was very, very noticeable, weakening, and it dropped. So if you want more information, if you want to join the giveaway, make sure you check out the link below. Check out the description. My Instagram will be there. Look for the next video. Other than that, I'm out.